Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download Pycharm Community Edition, which is basically Python where you can code. So today my computer wasn't working, so I am with my dad's laptop. As you can see, the battery is pretty down bad because it doesn't hold a charge if the electricity goes up. Okay, enough talking, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to go to Google Chrome, and if you want to just have the link, I will give the link in the description. So what you have to type in the Google Chrome: Pycharm Community Edition. If you want professional, please tell me in the comment box. I will definitely do a video about it. You can see download Pycharm. Here's the community one. You have to just click on download, and here I have already downloaded, so I will not again download because I don't want to deal with mobile data. So where it is saved? In your download section, obviously. As you can see, Pycharm Community Edition is here. I will cut and paste over here, and now try to run it. If you are running a hard drive, the installation may be a bit slow.
Are you sure about that?
Or if you are running SSD, it may be fast. I have already installed Pycharm, but I will show you the installation once again. Here you can see this kind of screen will pop up. Click next. Here you can see, select the Pycharm Community Edition version that you want to uninstall. So I don't want to uninstall like anything. Here it is written: settings and configuration from old version will not delete. So I will select that because I don't want my settings to get deleted. Click next. I'm running hard drive, so it's getting a bit slow. Here you can see space required 1.4 GB. Click next. Create desktop shortcut. Here it is written: update context menu. Create associations. Here you have to select .py, and here Pycharm Community Edition desktop shortcut. Other than that, you don't have to select anything.
Are you sure about that?
Nay.
Click next. Here you can see start menu folder. You can create it and press install. Now it will start installing, and if you have hard drive, then it will take a little bit time. As you can see, Pycharm Community Edition has installed. And now what you have to do, click on finish, keep the setup here, click on Pycharm Community Edition. It will take some time to open because it is the first time installation. I will close the windows because it may make my computer slow. As you can see, loading Python project 1. I will just simply cancel it because I want to start a fresh project. Here you can see, I will click on desktop because I have a file saved there. And now here's my program I have written. If you want, you can take a screenshot and do this program. I will close this window and I'll try to execute this. As you can see, it is actually running. 56, 67, 78, 88. It just got multiplied because I've used asterisk over here. So what will happen if the Python isn't installed? In my case, the Python was installed. So what I will do for you guys, I will simply uninstall Python and again install it back again. So here I am deleting Python. It may get installed automatically, but in my case it didn't got installed, so I have to download it manually. It may also happen to you. I'm not that sure. So for that I'm uninstalling Python so that I can install it once again and show it to you that how does it work.
What?
So Python is uninstalled. I will click close. Python launcher also I will remove from the computer. Restarting to remove the program. And from my side the laptop is pretty much lagging. Hopefully it is not lagging in the video, but from my side it is very lagging. The laptop is getting very hot. After all, it's a 8-year-old computer, so that's why I guess. So I have installed it. Now I will try to open Pycharm Community Edition and see what happens. It's loading components, but sorry, it will not execute the programs. Loading desktop projects. Set. Here let me select, here you can see now configure Python interpreter. Now click on that, add interpreter. If you must have a working internet connection.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
It is the latest version of Python, but for stability I will install Python 3.9 and now click OK. It will start installing the AMD version. That it's doing something, so let it complete. Oh, okay, sorry, I dropped my mic. So as you can see, the Python interpreter is installed. Now my program is showing up, so let me just try it. Not 52, sorry, that's a big number. I will start with 2 and 1 1. It will be 4. Exit code 0. So as you can see, the program is actually working. I don't mean that it's not working, it will work. Easiest one is that you just download Python, but this is a quite like, what I mean is this is user friendly, not the Python idle. It is not that user friendly, but this one is a little bit heavy. 1.4 gigabytes. Yeah, it is not possible for like if your drive has like 500 MB left or like only 1 gigabyte, but it's showing as 1.2 gigabyte, then you don't have this space. So yeah, so I've shown you that how to download this. So next video I will show you how to like how to make some codes. I will show you the basics of codes.
नहीं
So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.